friends, welcome back. It's my pleasure having you here. Let's stir fry it with radish and carrot. Hope you like it. Stir-fried white and red radish with eggs, a crisp, sweet, and savory dish with fluffy scrambled eggs. The natural sweetness of the radish pairs perfectly with the rich egg flavor, simple yet delicious. This dish is a nutritious balance of vitamins from radishes, protein from eggs, and fiber, making it a healthy and wholesome meal. Follow my channel and save this recipes now so you can refer this recipe anytime you like in the future. Ingredients: radish, carrot, eggs, ginger. Peel and shredded carrot. Shredded carrots offer a crisp texture with a natural sweetness when cooked, releasing an earthy aroma enhanced by savory oil. Each bite delivers a lingering, mellow aftertaste. Eaten raw, they're crunchy with a mild peppery kick. When cooked, they turn tender sweet, acting as a vibrant flavor booster. Peel and shredded radish. White radish crunches with peppery sharpness when raw, turning tender sweet and juicy like pear when cooked. Packed with vitamin C, glucosinolates, and fiber, it's a detox-friendly, digestion-boosting powerhouse. Crack eggs into bowl, seasoning and beat until frothy. Seasoning: 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Fried egg until egg foamed. Plus D. Eggs pack a powerhouse of nutrients, complete proteins, choline for brain health, and vitamin D, all wrapped in a golden yolk. Flip egg and let it solidify, then cut into small pieces. Fried eggs set aside. Don't fry the eggs too hard. They taste better when they are tender. Strategic water release flavor booster. Let radish juices reduce into a glossy umami glaze tastes. Perfect stir-fried radish timing for crispy texture at 90-sec blast fry for pear-like crunch, while caramelized texture at 3-min fry until edges turn amber and tender. A splash of vinegar while stir-frying over high heat neutralizes radish's pungency, leaving just crisp sweetness behind. Seasoning: 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon mushroom powder or chicken powder. Add fried eggs and mix evenly. Plate radish and eggs. Beta-carotene gives vitamin A fights macular degeneration, while egg choline boosts cognitive function. Bioavailable egg proteins prevent sarcopenia. Carotenoids dissolve in egg fats for elder-friendly nutrient uptake. Fiber plus natural sweetness aids digestion without spiking blood sugar. AE Antioxidant combo vitamin E plus selenium reduces chronic inflammation. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. There are more delicious, easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? You need cooking inspiration. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. I'll upload new recipe every day. See you tomorrow, yeah.